Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by recording the IP4 address and its subnet mask or sitter notation. Convert both the address and mask into 32-bit binary so you can operate on each bit. Once done, perform a bitwise and between the IP and the mask to produce the network address. This result is the netted. Make sure to write binary groups in 4 octets to avoid mistakes, and keep the original decimal IP handy for verification after you compute the binary result. Next, you invert the subnet mask to reveal which bits are host bits, and then extract the corresponding bits from the IP to obtain the hosted. Once you have netted, compute the broadcast address by setting all host bits to 1. Usable host range lies between netted plus 1 and broadcast 1. For counts, use the sitter host bit count. Number of hosts equals 2 to the power of host bits, minus the reserved network and broadcast addresses. Make sure you track off-by-1 errors when listing usable addresses. Finally, confirm your netted and hosted using a calculator tool like ipcalc or your operating system's network commands. These verify your arithmetic quickly. If results differ, recheck your subnet mask notation and make sure binary octets were grouped correctly. Common mistakes are misreading sitter as a mask or transposing octets. If addresses still don't behave as expected, test connectivity with ping or traceroute to the network and broadcast addresses to reveal routing or mask configuration problems that require correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.